Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have the Samsung A06 and of course this is a Samsung A06. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do a reset of the Samsung A06. Now of course this is pretty straightforward. So if you want to do a reset or factory reset, we're going to do it from software on the device. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and you're going to go into settings. Once you're in your settings guys, you should be in this menu right here. And once you're in the menu, as seen here, you're gonna go down and of course you're gonna search for general management. Here you go, general management. So this has to do everything with your generally managing your phone. And once you're in general management guys, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down, and there you go, you're gonna find an option that says reset, and these are your reset options. All right, so before resetting your phone, make sure that you back up the data, the Samsung cloud or external storage devices. You can restore your data after resetting. So I would suggest that you back up your calendar, your back up your contacts. Make sure that everything is backed up. You can back that up on your Google Cloud, and also as an extra measure you can save your contact files, transfer them off your device, or of course you can do all of that. Once you do that, it gives you several options here, and there's an option here that says you can reset all settings, meaning that everything on the device will be wiped. If you're trying to do other types of reset, the other ones here are different and used in different situations. All right, so of course you'll use those differently. So the main one you're looking for is reset all settings. So you'll tap that one. If it asks for the password, you can enter the password, and once you do a reset, what's going to happen is that the entire device is going to be reset. And of course that's how you do this on your Samsung Galaxy device. Do hope this was helpful, and as always, Ricardo Gardner with a tip from the Samsung A06. See you in the next one guys. Bye.